Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Xbox Series X, and you can do this to delete everything or just like some games or something like that. But I'll show you where the setting is, and if you're going to be like selling your Xbox, you definitely want to do this. Then go to settings, drop on down to system, go to the right, go to console information info, then go to reset console right here. It says reset your console. If you reset your console, will restart and erase all the accounts, saved games, settings, and the home Xbox association. You can choose whether to keep or erase your installed games. Okay, so you have an option right here, reset and remove everything. That's what you probably want to go ahead and do if you're going to be reselling this. And then you have reset and keep my games now. So you'll still have to sign in with your username and password, and then you should be able to just keep your games on there. So you have these two options, and it might take you like 10 to 15 minutes to go ahead and reset this. So if you have any like screenshots or something like you want, just make sure that's uploaded to the cloud, and your saved progress, if you don't have like Xbox Game Pass or something, just make sure everything is backed up to a USB device or backed up to the cloud. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.